as you can see from the beginning, about to fix my lace front. So right now I'm just cleaning off my edge control brush because it was dirty. You know. I got some Got To Be glue, the black kind, which I really don't recommend using. You should use the yellow kind, but all I had was the black, so I had to do what I had to do. And as y'all can see, I'm running out, so I had to be ghetto and stick my toothbrush into the tooth. Everything else is like real self-explanatory. Like right now, I'm just going in and putting a Got To Be under my wig to lay it down. So yeah. Okay, so right now I am currently laying down the baby hairs. As you can see, I'm doing my swoop-diddy-doop-diddy and getting them baby hairs laid. You know, it looks so concentrated on it. And these sideburns are killing me. Like, they don't never want to lay down, but I'm trying to work with what I got. Alright, so I'm walking back and I got a yellow bottle, but no, it's not Got To Be. It is the generic brand of Got To Be that I bought from Dollar General, and it completely sucks. So I'm over here trying to use it to lay down these sideburns, but obviously it's giving me a hard time. So yeah, do not buy that product. I also use it to lay down the edges because it's more tacky, so it works faster without a blow dryer. Alright, so after getting the sideburns to lay, I took some more of the Got To Be gel and decided to relay the edges because it started to come up. So I had to swoop it back, and that's what I'm doing right now. I put it on the back of my hand because it's just an easier access. Alright, so now I'm beginning to detangle the hair. Yes, it looked like a bird nest, but listen, don't judge me. But I'm over here detangling it with a wide tooth comb. You can use a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb. Do not try to use any small tooth combs because you might start pulling at the hair because it's still trying to dry. Woo! Thank goodness I'm finally done detangling the hair with a brush and a wide tooth comb. Now I'm just playing around with the hairs, trying to see what hairstyles, you know, I could wear, parting it to each side, and also showing you guys that there is a middle part. Right here I'm showing you guys how I put my hair up into a high ponytail or a high bun. As you can see, I'm combing with my fingers the hair up into a high ponytail, and then I'm taking bobby pins and I'm pinning it in the back so it can lay down. Then I'm taking the sideburns out so it can be securely on my head, and I'm smoothing in the hair up so it can look flat.